Well, I am really happy to be standing in a berry field. I'm here with Joelle from Smith Berry Barn. And you know, Joelle, I think a lot of times we Americans forget that it takes work to grow produce, and it takes a loving, good amount of work to do it.
That is true.
And things change. Some berries come and go. What I like is you have a couple of new varieties that you're doing this year. Tell me about those.
We do. So we've planted a couple of new varieties here just to kind of keep things healthy and
Right.
Our season expanded. And so we're going to talk about our obsidian blackberry today. This is a variety that was developed by Oregon State University along with Washington State University. We're fond of both of those schools.
Right.
And it's a cross between a Marion and an Olalley blackberry. And what it does is it gives us a chance to harvest a couple of weeks prior to a Marion berry.
Wow.
So we get it, oop, that popped right
And
off.
so that means it's ready, huh?
Exactly. That's one of the things we were going to talk about is how to pick a proper blackberry. So you want to kind of tug on it, and when it pops right off, we know it's ready. It also has a little bit smaller seed, so it's a really good quality, flavorful berry, comes on a little bit earlier, and has a little bit fewer seeds in it.
Right, right. It sounds delicious. So, Joelle, this isn't the only new one you have, though.
Correct. So we also have a new thornless boysenberry.
Oh, wow.
We grow boysenberries traditionally, always have, but we do have a new thornless one, which is kind of nice for picking. Little prickles. Although ours are pretty well growing, you can see these how they're kind of right out in front of your face.
Yeah, you actually grow them to make them easier to pick for people.
Yes,
Okay.
but we do have the thornless boysen that will be ripening very soon.
And then there's another new one, but we're going to go over here now to where that is, all right?
Sounds
Let's
good.
go on over there now. So, Joelle, this is the Tayberry.
Correct.
I really know very little about it. But
So-
because it's not brand new. Really.
No, correct. So Tabor is not new, but it's one that I feel like people don't know as well. So it was developed in the 1960s. It's a cross between a blackberry and a raspberry. So what's unique about it is it has the appearance of a raspberry in that it's a little more reddish, and it has that dusty appearance
Right.
that a raspberry has. It has the shape, though, of a blackberry, and it also holds its core, you can see inside the core there, of a blackberry.
Because when you pull a raspberry, you actually see the little core
Correct.
still stuck on,
Correct.
but this you won't see that with.
Yeah.
And I have to say, you gave me one to try, and I've heard everybody was saying it kind of tastes like the flavor of flowers. I didn't know what that meant. It really did.
It does. They're very unique, and some people don't like them. We recommend
Yeah.
you try, come taste them. But they make great pies, they make great jam. They're really, really tasty.
And you know, since we've been talking about berries, it's that festival
Berry
time of year.
festival.
Tell me about it again.
So Berry Festival is on July 4th,
Okay.
V-Day, from 11 to 4, and we have live music, we have our barbecue going, we have wine tasting, fun for the kids, we have alpacas that we bring in from a neighbor, and it's fun.
And then we can get here then that day too, and if people want to come celebrate, then that's a great time to taste and maybe pick some and take them
Exactly.
home.
Right.
So there you have it. You know, this is a great event. It's always fun, and all of these berries are delicious in their own way. And if you think I love berries, then you can even expand that taste for yourself and get more. Go to gardentime.tv for more information, because we'll click you over to their website, which is a great website too with lots of information right there. Thank you so much, Joelle.
Thank you.
Every season's fun with you.
Thank you.